Hello everyone, it's Diane. Welcome, or if you've been here before, welcome back to another video. Thank you guys all so much for returning and for your continuous support. So today I'm gonna be repotting 4 of my Hoyas. They've been drying out very quickly, and I believe is due to the substrate. So I do have 4 pots in here just in case they need to be upsized, but I think that I will be keeping them in the same pot that they're in. Well, it all depends on how the root system looks. So anyways, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I actually want to start with my Undulata. Oh, if I can get her out of here. She does have a couple new leaves coming in, so I want to be careful with her. This one should be easy to come out of the pot. You see, I haven't watered this one. Okay. Oh wow. Alrighty. I wasn't expecting for this to be this rooted. Okay, so I'm gonna try to remove as much as I can without disturbing the root system. Oh no, I don't think I'm gonna be able to. Wow, look at this. Wow. She is well rooted. All right, so I actually decided to sit down today and do a couple of repottings. I'm probably going to film another video that I had in mind, and the reason why, like I was saying, so the reason, there's no way. So I'm trying to pre-film as much as I can because I went to the DMV to get my school bus endorsement. Well, it's not the endorsement, but I went to get the test. Oh my god. I can't talk. I went to go get the test and I got all the air brake endorsement, the passenger, the school bus, and the CDLB, and I passed all my exams. They submitted my drug test, and so I'm just waiting for that to come back, and once that comes back, I'm gonna start. I just broke a leaf. No, one of the growth points. I just broke it. Stop it, Diane. Ugh. Anyways, like I was saying, this video I can already tell is going all over the place. I'm sorry, you guys. But yeah, I know that soon they're gonna be calling me to go for the trainings, and once I start training, I'm not gonna have a lot of time to film. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to take this out. I'm just gonna let it be just because I don't want to disturb the root system. I don't want to break roots, and I broke one of the freaking growth points, so I'm just gonna let her be. I'm mad at myself. I think I'm gonna use the bigger one. Okay, so I decided to get a slightly bigger pot because that one it's too small. It's too small for her. So I think this is going to be a lot better for her. Oh, you just want to be careful with those growth points. Yes, this is going to be a lot better for her. All right. And I don't think it's the smartest idea for me to freaking do this here with the rug. But what do I always say in all of my videos? I'm still doing it. All right. I think that should be fine. Okay, so the street is very noisy today. I think I'm just gonna time lapse this and put a music on the background because it's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's all right. Let's just keep it moving. Okay, now that it feels quieter, besides the gallos in the background, just another quick little update, life update. Ever since I stopped working at the post office, I have gained so much weight, like so much weight. I kid you guys not. I've gained about, I want to say about 30-40 pounds in freaking 8 months. That's insane. So I have decided to put myself on a diet, which is stressful because it is so easy for you to gain weight, but so hard to lose it. So yeah, my boyfriend and I were actually talking about that, and we have both decided that we're gonna go on a diet. I gotta give you guys a planty update, my collection update. I haven't done an update in I think a little bit over a month. So I am definitely up for an update. There's a lot of good things happening. Oh, now that I'm doing a Hoya repot, I'm just gonna let it be known that I ended up losing my Hoya variegated, and I'm not mad about it. Definitely not. She was just stressing me out so much. I think she had flat mites. I'm not sure, but I started treating her, and yeah, no, she didn't take well on the treatment, and she ended up passing away. She is no longer with me. She decided to go to a different world, I guess. Okay, so there she is. All right, so my Hoya Mathilde and my Krohniana Silver, I watered those yesterday, so I don't think I'm going to be watering them today, but definitely my Compacta needs a watering. So she should be easy to come out of this pot as well. Let's see, let's see. Yep, she's coming out. She's coming. So she is not as root bound as my Undulata. Yeah, she doesn't have a lot of roots. So I am definitely going to be using one of the smaller pots. She doesn't need a bigger pot. Her root system is quite small. So I'm going to put her in one of these smaller pots. Now, I don't even think if the pot that I have my Undulata is gonna, the cover pot is gonna fit with that bigger pot. I don't think it is. So I'm gonna have to find another cover pot for her. Hoyas are just so delicate. No me mires que me rompo. I bought myself a Vitzel shelf. So that should be coming in. Well, it was supposed to get here yesterday, but I don't know what's going on. I never received it, and I checked online today, and they were saying that supposedly they're experiencing delays. So it said expected today, but it's not giving me a delivery date. And then it said that supposedly my area is experiencing a lot of delays. So I don't think I'm gonna see that this week. So I am planning on doing a vlog. So I'm probably gonna add the assembling of the whole vid shelf on the vlog. All right. All right. All right. All right. Let me see if I can get this one out without breaking anything. Oh, that's not good. I watered this one yesterday, so wow, there's a lot of water on the bottom. That's not good. You see the water dripping? All right. I'm not gonna water this one today. The root system on this one is also pretty small. This Hoya is so cute. I don't know. There's something. Wait, are those? Oh fuck. Yeah, those were roots. Okay, I'm gonna let her be. Look at this. Oh. And I don't have no paper towels. I gotta get myself some paper towels. All right, let me go clean my hands because I can't work like this. Okay, so for sure I'm gonna be using a smaller pot for this one. Yes, definitely. That is way too much, Diane. Okay, let me try to get her in. Maybe a little bit more. Yeah. Okay, so I think I'm gonna leave her like this. Once again, I am not gonna water this one. I'll probably water her, I don't know, sometime next week, but she's stinking cute. Okay, lastly, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be using the smaller pot. But this one I also watered yesterday, so she's probably going to be very wet. Oh, I can see a baby leaf. All right, let me just be careful. Oh, wow. Barely any roots. Barely, like I don't see roots. Where is her root system? Is that a root? No. I was gonna say that's a thick root for Hoya, but no, it's not a root. It's part of the stem. Wow, I'm surprised. She does have a growth point, so oh, look at the roots right there. I was like, how is it possible that she has a growth point when she that stem doesn't have any roots, but she does. She does. Okay. Let me go clean my hands again and I will be back. Also, another thing, I gotta go back to the DMV as well because I'm trying to get my motorcycle license. So I used to ride without having a license, but now that I have my CDL, I'm not trying to risk it. I kid you guys not. I have been following the speed limit and everything. Oh, so I've been trying to follow the speed limits, and yeah, I'm not trying to jeopardize anything. Wait, is it okay like this? Yeah, I think she should be fine. She's all set. My Hoya Mathilde and my Hoya Silver Splash. And then these two I definitely have to water. But that is my Undulata and my Compacta. All right, let me just water them and put them back in their places, and I will do the outro. So I had to make a couple of adjustments. The plant that I had my Hoya Compacta in is currently in the pot that was for the Undulata, and the one that was for the Undulata is on the Compacta. That was the only adjustment that I had to make. Besides that, they're all in their designated spots. So far so good. We will see how they take with the new repot. So with that, we have made it to the end of today's video. Thank you all so much for continue watching and for still being here. I really appreciate you guys so much. Also, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, as it will help me out with the algorithm here on YouTube. If you haven't subscribed, please be sure to do so. I upload videos every Sunday at 3 p.m. EST time, and I am looking forward on seeing you guys on my next one. Bye.